Hello everyone, let's start this my Excel sheet, the 3 Excel row tips. So here I have a data. So simply select the row and to insert the row, simply right click on the mouse and click on the insert. You can use here the shortcut key Shift Control plus sign to insert the row. To delete the row, simply select the row, go to the Home tab, then go to the cells group, click on the delete option and click on the delete sheet rows. You can use here the shortcut key Control minus to delete the row. Okay. To hide the row, simply select the row, go to the Home tab. In cells group, click on the formats option. In visibility, click on the hide and unhide option and click on the hide rows. Your rows is hide. You can use the shortcut keys, simply select the row and press the Control 9 to hide the row. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.